Hey everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. This is your boy David, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to link up your variant. What I mean, like if you build in your Shopify store, right? When you start to import products and the images is not gonna automatically, connect it to the variant, you will have to actually go and set that up yourself. And today I'm going to show you the process of doing that. So let's not wait and get straight to the point. So for an example, right, let me scroll down a little bit. That's a product that I got on this Shopify store. So let's say if you are looking for black, right, as you guys can see, this is just sliding across. Let's say for this one, I got some of them linked up already. I just gonna show you guys some of them. I didn't actually completely finish linking up. Let's say for an example, right, you want to, let's go to 55. I don't think that I linked this one as yet. So okay, that one is linked up. Let's find another one that actually hasn't linked up. Okay, like for an example, you see 62 hasn't linked up as yet, right? See, for an example, when someone come to your store and they just going to through here finding the different color of dresses that you got. Let's say for an example, they click on 62. You see, nothing here has changed. So what I want to do is actually go back and link it up. So when someone actually click on that, so every one of them can link up to the right image, to the right color, so it doesn't actually confuse the customer. So how I'm going to do that? First, let's go to AliExpress. That's what the product is. I'm just gonna copy this right here. That would be the name of the max dress that we are talking about. So I'm going to click this, paste this right here, and I'm sure it will actually pull it up, right? Okay, yeah, that would be the dress right here. Let's open it up, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, as you guys can see, on AliExpress they got all the product, right, link up and in the right order. So this is when okay, let's go back here. When you got them on your store as well, you want to make sure everything link up in the right order, right? Let's say this one that I hasn't completely linked up yet. Let's go back to the product page where I have the product itself. As you guys can see, I have some of them link up already. Let's say for this gray one here, right? This gray one here, dark gray. All right, let's go for AliExpress and look for that dark gray. Dark gray. Remember, we're looking for dark gray. Dark gray. Okay. This here would be dark gray. Let's see how it look on here. Okay, this one is dark gray, right? So now let's go, watch me go in and link it up. Dark gray. I'm looking for this one. Okay, dark gray. Okay, dark gray. Let's find the image. Dark gray. I'm gonna go across. I think this here would be, I think that's it right here. Yeah, that's definitely it. That's dark gray right there. So we're gonna save it. Now let's go back and I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna refresh this. All right. Bear with me, my computer look like it's a little slow today, my internet. Let's go to the dark gray. Dark gray, that would be here. As you guys can see, this one pulled back up. Let's go link up another one that I hasn't linked up. I'm just going to show you guys the process. It's very easy and straight to the point. Let's say 56. for 56. Let's see what's 56 on here. 56, 55, 56. Okay, 56 is this dress. Okay, it's this one. Okay, 56 is this one. Let's go and find it in our store. 56. 56 would be, I think it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. Now you save it. As you guys can see, it's straight to the point. You guys can just follow along, and I'm sure you guys will be able to set it up just like I set up mine's. Right? Let's do one more for an example. Let's say 57, just to make sure you guys got the understanding or anywhere I'm going with that. 57. Okay, 57 is this flower dress. It's an easy one to spot. 57. 57. It's a little black. It's that one. Okay. That's okay. Let's go back and refresh it and go through some. I have to go back and finish some of them. I'm not just gonna go got you guys sitting here watching me doing every single one of them. I just wanted to show you guys the process and how easy it is to actually set up. It's not complicated at all. All you would have to actually do it, put a little bit of your time and get it to work out for you. Okay, for an example, let's test out the variant for different colors. As you guys can see, let's switch it. I got black should show up. We got dark gray should show up. We got green should show up. And orange, and that should show up. Pink, and that should show up. That's not pink. Oh. So I probably haven't linked the pink one as yet. I don't think that's the pink one. Let's take a look, see why. Okay. Yeah, that's the pink one. Yeah, but that's the pink one. Let's see what they got here again. Pink. It got pink in it, but I'm sure this here is pink. Okay. I probably have to refresh it. As you guys can see, you guys should understand where I was coming from. And it's very straight to the point. So it shouldn't be hard or complicated. You guys just watch this video and follow the step by step, and I'm sure you will get it to work out for you. And I just want to say thanks for watching. I will be continue doing more videos. Remember, you can always hit subscribe to get another update whenever I upload other videos. So I want you to have a great one and hope that you make it out with your Shopify store. And I want to say thanks for watching and see you next time.